What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. If you have something dirty around your house, I'm going to show you how to make it clean. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily clean your beauty blender sponges. I think, as we all know, these things get pretty nasty and just filled with caked on makeup. So we're going to be testing out two of the most popular methods of cleaning these beauty sponges and see which one does the best. So in the first method, you're going to need some Dawn dish soap and a microwave safe glass, and then you will also need a bar of soap. Any bar of soap will work. First, we're going to start with the microwave method. You just want to fill the glass all the way up with some water, and then you're going to be adding some of that Dawn dish soap. And just for the heck of it, I'm just pouring some of the dish soap on top of the actual sponges, and then I'm giving it a good little mix and stirring it around and trying to get it all soaked up in there. That water is already looking real yummy, right? Okay, so after you put them in the soapy water, then you're just going to want to place them in the microwave for 1 minute. When it's done, go ahead and pull it out of the microwave. Now be very careful because the water will be hot. So I'm just kind of wiping it off and seeing how much it actually took off. It actually did a really good job on the pink one. The orange one, not so much, probably because that one is a lot older and hasn't been cleaned in quite some time. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the sink and run some cold water because that water was super hot. But as you can see, all of that dirty makeup is just coming out of it. Here is the finished results of that method. It did a really good job on the pink one. The orange one still has a little bit of the makeup on it, but not bad. Honestly, they both look pretty good. Now we're going to move on to the other method, and that is using the bar of soap. So you're going to want to turn your water on. I'm checking my water because it tends to be scalding hot. As you can see, the steam. But yeah, anyways, just put it on a comfortable temperature, like warm. And you just want to take the sponge and scrub it on the soap like so. And for whatever reason, it's pulling it out and it's just dragging it out nicely. You can just see all of that makeup just pouring out of it. I realize that this method is a bit wasteful of water because you kind of have to leave it running, but this method does work very well, hands down, better than any other method that I've tried. So if you could just do it for a minute or so, you will get almost all of your makeup out of your sponge.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every...
Here is the final result. It did a great job getting all of that makeup off. Now I just have to let it sit out and air dry, and I'm going to be cleaning the other one. Now this type of sponge is a bit more difficult to clean, so I'm not sure how well it's going to work on this method, but we'll give it a shot. That one was definitely a lot harder to get the makeup off of the sponge. Since this method works so well, I'm going to take the orange one again and see if I can get the remainder of the makeup off with this method.
Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings. Unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing.
And it worked. I was able to get all of the makeup off. So after you've washed them all off, you just want to set them out to dry. Well, that is all that I have for you guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of how to clean your makeup sponges. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.